What's up, content creators? It's your boy, the masked YouTuber, the one that will take your channel to 1 million subscribers. So in the next few minutes, you will finally know exactly how to use YouTube tags correctly to rank #1 on YouTube searches and drastically improve all your subscribers count and your views. No more questions about tags ever. Well, if I do my job correctly. Let's go! Before going into the technical stuff, what I want you to do right now is click on the subscribe button below, hit the bell, give this video a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. Thanks a lot. So what are tags? Tags are simply words or phrases that we call keywords that you simply enter in this little box called tags when uploading videos on YouTube. YouTube uses these tags to know what your video is about and, more importantly, suggests your video to the correct viewer. In a nutshell, for this video I use the tag how to correctly use tags on YouTube. So when someone goes to YouTube and searches for how to correctly use tags on YouTube, my video should appear in the search results. So does all this sound simple? Here's where things get a little bit more technical. You can't see tags on YouTube's website or application. You need a special tool to do that. I use TubeBuddy, so if you're currently using Google Chrome, just go to tubebuddy.com and click on this button, install free on Chrome. It will install the extension, so you just need to install it, sign up, and come back to this video. You can just pause this video and come back when you already installed it and signed up. Okay, so you got it installed, right? Good. The goal with tags is simple. You use them to try to reach the top 5 spot on the YouTube search result for a particular video. No one looks past the top 5 results. So achieving this spot for a particular keyword or tag will make sure that you get the most views. Here's a video where I reached the #1 spot on YouTube for the keyword first week as a YouTuber. This is pretty good because I believe that many people just starting out or about to start as a YouTuber would be searching for this. So the first thing that you need to know about reaching the top 5 search results for a particular video on YouTube is that it's not that simple. The more videos there is that target this particular keyword or tag, the harder it will be to reach the top 5. So the goal here is to find low competition keywords with tons of monthly searches. Let's simply use this video as an example. This video is about YouTube tags, so I type YouTube tags in the search bar. So if you use TubeBuddy, if you install it correctly, you should see this thing pop up on the right. So click on Show Keyword Score. You see this? This is the overall rating for this keyword. Basically it means search volume. It means that it has pretty good search volume, but it has a huge competition for this keyword. So it's practically impossible to rank #1 for the keyword YouTube tags. So the goal here is to find keywords that have a greater than 50 over 100 score. They are much more easier to rank when you just started out on YouTube. There's 2 ways of finding good performing keywords. The #1 is simply typing a keyword in the YouTube search box. So when you type this keyword YouTube tags, you see all these potential keywords. So you can just click on any one and go get the score for this particular keyword. You see that the score is much better, but it's still hard to really rank for this. We need something more than 50 over 100. We can try something else. So if you play Fortnite, you can just click Fortnite and you see all these things. So season 6, let's try Fortnite season 6. And it's really bad. So let's try Fortnite season 6 week 9 challenges. And you can see that it's better, but you can keep trying different types of keywords until you find someone which has a greater than 50 over 100. So let's try something else like glam makeup tutorial, glam makeup look, and you can see that this keyword has a really bad, but let's try something different like glam makeup view for New Year's. That's a longer keyword and it should have a better score, and it has a better score, good search volume, and very low competition. This is definitely a keyword that you should use if you do these types of videos. Of course, let's try something else like self-development, like how to be successful in life. How to be successful in life. So you see that this keyword is pretty good for a keyword that with that potential. It has a pretty good 32 over 100. So let's see motivation. How to be successful in life, motivation. And this keyword is much better, you see. So you keep on searching and adding things until you find a good performing keyword that is related, of course, to the videos that you make. So of course, the goal is to find keywords with greater than 50 over 100 score. So write down all these keywords that you find. The second way to find good keywords to use is to really spy on our competition. You see, all these videos are ranked top for this keyword YouTube tags to get views. So we already know that these videos are using a correct tagging method. So we open all these, or at least the top 5 videos, and you will see if you install TubeBuddy correctly. You should see. Let me pause this. It's not pausing. Okay, it's pausing right now. As mentioned, if you install TubeBuddy correctly, you should see these. These are the tags that this video is using. So just click on Show Search Rankings here, and you see all these tags that this video is using. And you see that this video is really ranking well for many tags. And for all these tags, you can check the competition. So just click on, let's say, YouTube Tags Optimization, and you see that's the score. You go on and check something else, like how to YouTube tags to get views, fair. You can see YouTube tag 2018. You go on like that until you find good performing tags. Of course, Brian G. Johnson has many subscribers and get many views. So he can target tags which have a much higher competition. So when you're starting out, to make sure that your videos rank higher, you should always choose tags that have a greater than 50 over 100 score. So once you get all your good performing keywords, the next thing is to enter all these keywords that you found in this little box called tags. There's a 500 characters limit for this box, so use all possible 500 characters to enter the keywords. Also, make sure to enter the first keyword that you need, you really want to rank for in the first spot. Also, this keyword should also be the title of your video. Also, you can add it in the description to really make sure that you rank #1 for this keyword. Speaking of video title, I know that is counterintuitive, but you should find the title of the video prior to making the video itself. Why? Because you need to find a keyword that has a greater than 50 over 100 score when you make a video with a keyword as the title. If you do your video first, then start researching keywords, there's a great chance that the best performing keywords that you find doesn't match the content of your video. See what I mean? The title of a video always needs to match the content of the video. When someone clicks on a video because they saw your title, he needs to see exactly the title mentioned in the video. So here's a recap of what we discussed. To rank in the top 5 position for YouTube search result or even rank #1, you need good performing keywords. Use TubeBuddy to do all the keyword research and write down all the keywords that have a greater than 50 over 100 score. Title your videos with the best performing keyword. When uploading your video on YouTube, enter all the keywords, the good performing keywords in the tag section of the video content creator. Wait a few days, and if your video performs well in terms of likes, engagement, and watch time, you should reach the top 5 position or even rank 1 for many of the keywords that you entered in the tag section. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. What I want you to do right now is click on the subscribe button below if you have not already, hit the bell, give this video a thumbs up by liking this video, and post a comment below telling me what you want to see in future videos. See you in the next video.